She's so beautiful, you're definitely punching above your weight, fella. You must be rich as shit. You can fucking tell this dude's rich, right? He's not even dressed up. What do you do, Nikki? Exactly. He's rich as fuck. I knew it. She's like, microwave a potato sometimes? I don't know what. Tell the cleaner, hey, come on, your shift's not finished yet. Knew it, man. He's got an Apple Watch and everything. What do you do, Nikki? Really, everyone's dying to know. Huh?
Interior design.
Interior design. You mean you choose fucking wallpaper for him? I'm only messing, Nikki. You're so beautiful. I can take the piss.